All right, welcome back, guys. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a little stuffy, a little under the weather, but we're here to bring you the latest and greatest content on the Mustang. Got Margot here. What we're going to be trying to do today is Wastegate. I guess the plan is to get it, let's see here, tucked, welded up right in here, and sitting right in this pocket here. So the other day Margot came by, loosened all this stuff. It's just kind of sitting in place. So we're gonna pull all this stuff out and get to making this wastegate fit. Let's do it. Alright, so we hole sawed the wastegate hole in here, and theoretically I'm going to be shoving this in here. I'm going to cut this to fit nice and snug. Cut it off here, weld the wastegate here, and then the rest can be the dump tube. So I'll let you mark it up, I'll let you cut it out, and get going.
Stop it. Get some help.
All right, we got that cut up. Let's see how we did. Can't really tell if there's an up or down or which one's which. Actually, that one's pretty dang good. Sweet. Alright, now I guess we'll just clean up the metal a little bit with that flapper disc and then tack her up. Alright, so got the metal cleaned up. Here, Margo, put the pipe on there. Got it fitted up, and now we're gonna see how much or where we need to cut it, which I think probably right around there. Let's see. So can you grab the Sharpie right there and then mark the pipe like right under this flange if you can? Yeah, okay. That was the wrong. Yep. Okay, yeah, you marked it unintentionally, but you did. You definitely just drew on that. Okay, that's fine. So we'll mark it like right there, and we'll cut it just all the way across, and then we'll weld it to this flange, and the rest will be dump tube. Can you get it just sit in there?
There.
Ish, okay.
Yeah.
Now let's see. Here, bolt the flange back on there, and then sweet, yeah. Insert music there. All right. Sweet, let's grab the pen. Oops.
Are we gonna angle it straight down, or are we gonna turn it to the side?
Yeah.
That side.
Because that oil line's right there. So you want to make sure it doesn't point right towards there. So yeah, I was thinking something like that. That way it'll dump that way. And then make sure it's not real close here. Yeah, something like that. And yeah, we'll just put a little mark there. All right, let's tack it up. All right, so we got it tacked. Clearance wise, looks pretty good. I know it's not an ideal position as for exhaust flow, but it should work. And the idea is that the rest of this pipe will be the dump tube out the bottom there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Be something like that, and that'll be the screamer pipe. That's the plan. So I think we'll pull this off and weld it the rest of the way up, I suppose. All right, well, while Marco's in there putting in his boost gauge, I've been over here welding and got this pretty much mocked up. It's a little close. Vacuum lines may be a little iffy, a little sketchy, but you know, that's the fun of it. So I think that's about ready to go. We just need to weld up the dump tube flange and get the dump tube bolted on there. Other than that, this is about ready to go. Are you done? All right. Here we go. Yeah, it's in there. It's welded. Got space, not a lot, but enough, hopefully. Got the old dump tube welded up. It is purposely at an angle. That way it doesn't hit the crank down here. So theoretically, it should look like that. And my nose won't stop running, so that's a lot of fun. So, yeah, I think we're just gonna get this thing put back together, get the manifold back there, bolted back in, get some gaskets in here, get some gaskets down here, and then bolt the turbo back on, and then it is back to the intercooler project, which we're still kind of trying to figure out. In the meantime, Marco's wiring in a boost gauge, trying to figure out where that's going to go, and then we'll show you what it looks like all put back together. So thanks for watching. See you next time.